Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly in your Word. So to do this is really simple. So just sign up for Grammarly. It's free, but you can get the premium if you want to do so. So it depends for you where you're getting it. So you can get it in your Mac or you can get it in your Windows. So this depends on you. So basically when you have it already on your MacBook is you can try it out in Word right here. So basically it's gonna launch Word for you. So let's take a blank document right here. So here you can drag it and drop it right here so it will write faster with AI. So if you have a wrong spelling or even wrong anything, something that Grammarly wants to correct, it will highlight it right here because that's what Grammarly does. So here you can try it out right here. So if you want to get started, you can do AI generation for paragraphs if you want to. So there you go. It's just that simple. So I cannot type here since I don't have Word in my MacBook. But here's the point. You get it. So here is Grammarly for Word. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.